Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report. Charles Perez on Tuesday the 22nd of March from me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at the market's classic safe haven trade, and that is dollar yen. And the yen has strengthened on the back of this burgeoning or breaking news of the terrorism attacks in Brussels, but not by much. Interestingly enough, we've sort of seen the last couple of days a bit of support that came in around the bottom of this range. We haven't yet seen the decisive breakdown of this range. Obviously, a couple of intraday breaches, but nothing on a closing basis. And it'll be interesting to see how this one develops, because I think generally speaking, you're still looking negative. Look at those MACD lines just crossing negatively. You're certainly negatively configured on the stochastics and also the RSI. It all sort of paints towards a picture of selling into strength. I think 112.15 is the big level. And again, overnight we had a rally basically back towards that level. 112.20 was the high, and then you had a bearish outside hour candle, or a bearish engulfing candle on the hourly chart, and subsequently we've seen the selling pressure coming back in and rolling over on the momentum indicator. So I think that is your big level. You zoom out, you see that was an old floor, big floor. Actually, 112.15 basically now has become the basis of resistance. So I think ultimately it is interesting that we've seen this come at that level and rolling over. Now, the initial reaction to the terrorism attack obviously was to sell off from around 112.15 back towards a low of 11.36. That's held on to yesterday's low of 11.20. And rebounded. So there's been a slight sort of calming of the concern in these forex markets, even though obviously this terrorism attack is a moving event, and we don't know the exact outcome of it yet. It is interesting that we've seen just a slight rebound. Whether that rebound continues or not, or whether you see a resuming of the selling pressure in the coming hours, remains to be seen. But I think ultimately dollar yen is a sell into strength, and I think that strength around 112.15 is an interesting sell point, because I think you're going to get further testing of this big floor of around about 111 figure. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.